Hey there, my name's Gary Sims and this is the Samsung S10 Plus with 1TB of internal storage and 12GB of RAM. Now it costs €1,600 in Europe, that's for the Samsung Exynos version, and it costs $1,600 in the US for the Snapdragon 855 version. And I thought we could do an unboxing. So if you want to find out more, please let me unbox. Okay, so let's get started. There's this plastic here on the outside, which I'm never any good at getting off. Oh, there we go, that's not bad. Okay, so let's get that off. Okay, and then here we've got this seal here, which reminds me also that it's the European version. It can only work with European SIM cards. Okay, let's see whether this comes off. Yes, it does. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Whoa, and there it is. Okay, so the S10 Plus. Well, I suppose from the outside, it looks exactly the same as any other model of it. You can't tell that it's 1TB there and 5 and 12GB of RAM. There's a charger. There's a little adapter here so that you can plug in USB things to there. I guess there's a little cable. Okay, and we've got the AKG headphones there. And that's it, that's what you get. So headphones, charger, cable, little dongle, and here is the device. So I'd like to start two conversations about this device. First of all, the price. If we stay with US dollars and the version you buy in the US, for $1,600 you get 1TB of internal storage and 12GB of RAM. But if you buy, for example, the S10e, okay, which comes with 128GB of internal storage and 6GB of RAM, you have enough money left over to buy a Dell G5 15-inch laptop with 8GB of RAM and 1TB of hard drive and an NVIDIA GTX 1050 GPU in it. So the question is, should you be buying such an expensive phone, or should you buy a cheaper one and a Dell? And even if you buy an S10, a normal S10 with I think 512GB of internal storage, you still have enough money left over to buy a PlayStation 4 rather than upgrading to the S10 Plus with the 1TB. What do you think about the pricing? Is this just stupid pricing? I mean, have we come to just the age of where everything is just, this is just ridiculous? Or do you think actually it's worth it? Would you pay that money for this device? And the other thing I'd like to know is, what testing would you like me to do on this? I plan to do some testing on the internal storage, like its speed. I'd like to do some testing about that 12GB of RAM, like how many apps can I get in memory simultaneously before it starts swapping out. I'd like to do some testing using DeX so we can see what it's like performing as a desktop. What else would you like to see? Okay, I won't keep you any longer. Please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next couple of videos about the S10 Plus with 1TB of internal storage and 12GB of RAM. Okay, that's it.